single or I'm taken? Which one?
I've never judged me once, and now I gotta be strong all alone. No more real talks on the phone when them boys stress me out. You the one I call on when them chicks get the tripping. You.
She got the bands on. This is our first vlog. You know, we're just walking, guys. Just walking to Dollar General. Beautiful neighborhood, y'all. Beautiful neighborhood. The outfit. She look like a 90 baby, you know. Okay, bestie, I see you. Get it. Let's go. His Brown got nothing on you. Nothing. Period. Okay. You know what it is. You already know what it is. What's popping up in here? I'm so short and little. We're both short and little. Well, I'm more shorter. You're taller than me, so. Guys, comment below, like,
Thanks.
videos.
Yeah, y'all want to see.
Like, videos that y'all want to see and, like, ideas. Because you gotta hold it sideways.
Challenges, pranks.
What?
Pranks.
Pranks. Because
We don't know what to do, y'all.
yes, we do. But we need some ideas.
We're going to write down some ideas, though. Tonight. Guys, I got to go to work tomorrow.
Sad.
Work at a daycare.
You could have said that at the mukbang.
I can. But you know what? Still going to be in a mukbang. Period.
In the mukbang, we're gonna like tell y'all about ourselves and like, you know.
Go Kyra. Go Kyra. Get it. Go Kyra.
We're gonna talk about ourselves in the mukbang. So
And we're going to say if we're single or taken. Stuff like that, too.
do I have to say that? Do I have to say that?
Well, I mean, I'm going, so I know about you.
Okay. We got the cheese. And we got the. You know what? I can't even record it. We got the soft shells and we got the hard shells. And her stupid ass got some cereal. And I got some cheese
I
eggs.
got to be a stupid ass.
I don't know. And then I got this to put it in milk.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna ask each other questions. So hold on.
Are you ready?
No. To be honest, no. Rate 0.
So we're just gonna ask each other anything that we wanna.
No, I got questions written down.
Okay.
I mean, typed down.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go first.
Okay. I'm ready.
What kind of juice you got, girl?
Girl, I don't even know.
So
I think I got for a punch. I don't know something.
I got some iced tea. And then I got my little taco.
I mean, I missed it with the iced tea, but
She makes
whatever.
fruit punch with iced tea.
It was good though.
It is good. I tried some.
So don't try to play with the kid. Okay.
Okay, what's your favorite color? I mean, what's my favorite color? I'm lying.
Purple. Right? Hey, I got it. Whoa. Purple it is.
And your favorite color is pink.
Alright.
Did I get it right?
Go.
Okay. When's your birthday?
When? You keep saying when.
When is my birthday?
July 20th. And you a Cancer.
Cancer gang.
Scorpio game. My birthday November 4th. Coming up, I'm gonna be 24.
Comment y'all
Zodiac signs.
below.
Period. We wanna know.
What is my shoe size?
A 3.
Ding ding ding.
Okay.
I think yours is a 2.
Yep. It is. Let me answer some. Let me do some.
I ain't pick a lot. You can make up your own actually.
Okay.
But there's some in there.
Am I single or I'm taken? Which one?
I think you consider yourself neither.
Period. Okay.
So am I single or am I taker?
Single.
Single like a Pringle. Am I mingling? I don't know.
Nah. Nah.
Who's my celebrity crush? It's gonna be hard because you really, I don't know if you know.
I don't know.
You better find, you better make something up.
I don't know. Meek Mill. No, we saw him last name. It is?
But I got more.
Meek Mill. Future?
He used to be.
Wale. Jack Lee, what Whoa there.
No, choke.
Usher. Drake.
Do I look like that?
You used to be back in the day. You and someone.
She might watch the video.
May not care.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint because you like him too.
I do? Okay. Who?
You gotta guess it.
I like him too. Do he rap? Sing?
He rap. I like Jack Lee too, by the way.
He rap. No. I don't know. I give up. Who?
Lil Durk.
That's my husband.
But she ain't know that, y'all.
I didn't know you like Lil Durk. You never told me that you like Lil Durk.
Yeah,
so
I do.
That's crazy.
We was in the room together. I said, he got some big ass eyes. And he's cute.
But I didn't know that was your clue. That was first. Okay. What else can I ask you?
I should have got all soft chocolates.
What's my favorite food? I mean, what's the most? Or what I'm always eating?
Nothing.
That's messed up. I love rice and fries. It's all bad.
I don't see you eat that. Every time we around food, she be like, I don't want it. I don't feel like eating.
I sound like that now.
I don't feel like eating. Period, poo. I don't never guess that. What's my favorite food?
Seafood. Yep.
If y'all want to take me out on a date, give me some seafood.
Period. She loves her some seafood.
Some lobster. I tried that.
Okay, so how do we meet?
I'm not even done. I tried some lobster. It was good. Okay, so how did we meet? We ain't say no names.
You ain't gonna say their name. But I would say these two girls.
Anorexic.
Stop. I'm gonna say S and Y. So, these two girls named S and Y. You know, they was friends with her first. And then,
No, they wasn't.
Are you sure?
S was friends with you.
Yeah,
we was. Okay.
But how did we meet? Like,
Yeah, but she knew them too.
well, I knew
She was friends with them
I was
too.
friends
We
with
just
them
didn't
too.
know each other.
Yeah, because I didn't have classes with y'all. Y'all all had classes with each other, and I didn't.
And this is in high school, by the way.
Freshman year. So, Yeah. So I was friends with them first. I don't know how S and Y met. And A and Twana. But they introduced to Twana.
And you was best friends with S. I was best friends with Y. I'll be on watch this video. If y'all do, I don't really care. But yeah, I think you was best friends with Y too. So I was best friends with Y. She was best friends with S. And then after we met each other, we became best friends.
And then after that, me and S and Y stopped being friends. No, after me and S stopped being friends. And me and Y still was being friends. And then Y and S stopped being friends.
And then I fought S.
She fought S.
That's another story time.
That's a story time. But anyway, she fought S. I was still friend. No, was I still friend with S?
I fought S because of Y though.
Yeah, Y. She started all the
But that's a story time. That's a story time. Me and S fought. Me and Y was still friends. We was all friends up until, I don't know, they came to my baby shower. That was in 2015.
I think we had Aiden.
And then we just all stopped talking. Well, we all, not me and her, but everybody else stopped talking. And then it's been us. Yeah. Because every time we try to do stuff with people, people are fake.
And then we always, Y used to always, no, that's a story time. That's a story time. That's a story time. That's a story time. And I'm not friends with Y still. But I'm friends with S. We still friends with S.
Me and S became friends years later. Back friends. After the whole fighting thing.
You know, they got older. You know?
Mature. Realized we was kids.
Yep. No, they friends. Me and S, we had a up and down relationship. Like, one minute we're not friends, next minute we are, next minute we're not. It was just like,
still is.
Still is, but at the same time. But now we talk more and we chill. Not a lot, but you know, yeah. It's just me and Twana, you know. Period.
And that's why we decided to do our YouTube, because we know we're gonna stay friends. Like,
and her son is my godson, that bad little boy. Period.
Forever.
Period.
So
Period.
That's how we
still
became
eating.
friends.
I'm so slow.
Yeah. I could have ate more than this. I could have ate more than 3 tacos. I could eat like a grown man.
Not me.
She's the opposite.
I eat so slow.
But she gained more weight than me.
Exactly.
And I can't gain weight.
She can't gain weight. Me, I gain weight and then I lose it. If that makes sense.
I gained some pounds this year. I gained 6 pounds this year. Shouts out to
But
me.
she should be skinny, y'all. Skinny.
I think she
had her
son. You know her booty came.
You know,
body right.
body looking like period. But yeah,
She ain't had those issues. She was already thick.
I get it from my mama.
Shake what she gave you.
Get it from my mama.
Drop it like it's
my
hot.
family.
Take this behavior.
My
I went to the
family.
limo. The limo was looking sweet.
Yeah. And y'all gotta tell us how we did on that first video, because this is our first video that we ever did.
That's not my first video.
Well, her, not just my first video that I did. But we used to always try to make videos, but we used to joke around and then never.
And I used to be looking a mess.
So now, every time we eat, she always be like, "Oh, let's do a mukbang." And then after we done eating, let's do a mukbang. I'm like, we could have did this while we was eating. Why you didn't say this before? And now we actually doing it.
There was a time that I used to order Wendy's every day, a whole bunch of Wendy's, and I'm like, we should have made a mukbang out of it.
After we done eating. If y'all hear it in the background, that's my grandma, okay?
What a joke. How old are we? Since we
23.
When you turn 24?
November 4th. Scorpio game. You already know.
Like I said, comment below your zodiac signs. I'm 23 as well. I turn 24 next year, so I think that's it.
Yeah. That's it. You know?
But we have like a lot of stuff coming for you guys.
A lot.
But if you guys have like any suggestions or ideas, write it down. And we're gonna put our links to like our social media and stuff. But
I'm gonna see you on Snapchat, Instagram.
I'm on Facebook.
Yeah, I'm on Facebook too, but you don't really catch me on Snapchat and Instagram.
I'm always on Facebook. I'm always on Snapchat. And I'm on Instagram.
Not really.
But I mean,
She's a Snapchat and Instagram. No, she's a Snapchat and Facebook person.
I'm trying to get back on Instagram though. I used to be an Instagram head.
You're the one that made me to get an Instagram and Snapchat. Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. I think my cousin did. Not Snapchat. My cousin did. She had Snapchat first. And I'm like, what is this?
I was not using no Snapchat until
my cousin did. Never mind.
I started using Snapchat when I was pregnant. And I'm like, oh, I like Snapchat. I get mad views. Then I deleted everybody. So then my views went low.
Yeah. And back in the days, we used to do cake. We used to be lit on cake.
We used to do the
group chats.
The rate. I remember one time I had 300 likes for them to be honest. Oh, I cuss. I'm gonna have to edit that out. My thing was popping.
My thing was popping. Period.
But alright guys, we're gonna wrap this up.
Cause I'm done eating now, y'all. Period. Like, whoa.
We're gonna wrap this up.
And for my birthday, we're vlogging, so get prepared for that too. Okay?
And if y'all see me featuring other videos, you already know who it is. Miss Twana, pretty Twana.
Yeah, because you know, she's collabing with another YouTuber. You know,
other people trying to collab.
And other people, I'm gonna be out there, but it just, you know, I'm just the more shy person. I'm the shy person. She's the more out there. And I'm trying to get like that, but you know, I'm gonna get out there. Just watch. Just watch.
These decisions ain't easy.
I think we should wrap this up because I'm done.
I'm done too.
Okay, bye.